All diffusers are aging tested before they leave factories. In order to better control the quality, we specially built a small test room in our company. At the beginning of each order's production, we randomly choose some diffusers for a minimum 72 hours test in-house ourselves, and keep communicating. The tester add water into tank and turn on the diffuser. Record the beginning time of each diffuser test. Check the diffuser's operation every hour and make notes. After the diffuser is short of water and shuts off automatically, measure the remaining water, calculate the running time, and keep a record.